Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I do apologise that there hasn't been any videos this week so far. It was my birthday on Tuesday, so yeah, I was very busy, went away for a few days, so I literally just had no time to film whatsoever. But yeah, I am back. The birthday's over, I've got no more excuses. So yeah, I thought I would do a makeup tutorial because I haven't done a tutorial in a while. And one of my birthday presents was actually the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette, which just looks like this. It's a lot nicer than the Subculture one. The colours are totally random and make absolutely no sense, but the formulas are really nice. So I really wanted to do a tutorial using this. So yeah, that's what I've done today. This look was inspired by the NYX tutorial that Rachel Leary did about 2 weeks ago, I think it was. I don't know. I'll link the video that I saw down below. I really liked what she did, and I thought, when I got this palette, I thought, oh, it's the perfect palette to do something similar. So yes, that was my inspiration, and yeah, this is the look I came up with. So if this looks like something you'd enjoy, please keep on watching. And if you do enjoy, please click the like button, leave me a comment, and do click the subscribe button as well, so you don't miss any more of my videos. And yeah, I appreciate it very much. So without further ado, let's get into the video, because again, this intro is going to be like 40 minutes long. So yeah, let's get into the video.
Okay, so to start off today's look, I'm just going to go into the Prism palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm just going to take this shade called Unity, and I'm just going to use this as our transition shade, and I'm just going to run it through the crease using this big fluffy blending brush like so. And I'm just going to use windscreen wiper motions as usual, like you hear everyone say, just because this helps the blend and it just looks nice and seamless and doesn't look all patchy and horrible. I'm then just going to take this Eden shade and also run this through the crease, just taking it a little bit lower than that Unity shade, just so we can still see it. I'm then just going to take this bright orange shade called Satin, and I'm just going to start packing that onto the lid and through the crease. And then I'm going to take a fluffy blending brush with the same sort of windscreen wiper motions and just blending out the shade into those other transition colours we used. I'm then going to take the JACLYN Hill palette by Morphe, and I'm going to go into this deep burgundy red colour, and I'm also just going to start applying this onto the lid and through the crease just to deepen up that orange shade. Wanted it to be like quite reddish, so that's why I added this one as well. And I'm also going to take that fluffy brush again and keep blending it. This is vital when you're doing like a look with different colours. Always blend between shades just constantly, and that is how you will get a nice sort of non-patchy, seamless look, if you know what I mean.
And a bottle of wine, gonna hold you tonight. Oh yeah. Well, we know I'm going away, and how I wish you weren't so. So take this wine and drink with me. Let's delay our misery. Save tonight. Fight the break of dawn, come tomorrow.
I'm then just going to take a concealer or a foundation or whatever you've got, and I'm just going to use this to cut out half the crease. As you can see, I've done this in many videos, so I just skipped through this quite quickly. And I'm also going to set that down with a translucent powder. And then I'm going to take this like purpley bluey shimmer shade called Dimension from that palette, and I'm just going to wet my brush and just apply it onto where we cut that crease. If you spritz your brush with like Fix Plus or something before you apply the shade to make it wet, it does give off a better pigment, and like it just looks a lot better if you make it wet first. So this is always recommended on my part. Like if I'm ever putting a shimmer shade on my lid, I will always wet the brush first. I'm then just going to take some of the red shade and also that orange shade that we put on, Satin, and I'm just going to mix these in together and use it to blend in that Dimension shade with the rest of the shades. This is also an important step so it looks nice and blended. I'm then going to take some liquid eyeliner and apply this to my lid. I go out of shot now, as you can see, but I've done this again in many videos before, so it's not exciting, it's nothing new. But yeah, I just applied like a small wing. I then took this white shimmer shade called Lucid. It's actually got some like champagne reflex in it, so it's actually a really nice colour, and I just used this to highlight my brow bone and my inner corner. And then I just took the Maybelline Colossal Mascara and just applied a few coats to my top lashes. And then I just took the EYLURE number 140 lashes. These are some old lashes I wanted to reuse. And I'm just going to glue these down on my lids, as so.
Okay, so I'm just going to do the other eye off camera and the rest of my face, and I'll be right back to do the lower lash line and finish the video.
Okay, so for the lower lash line, I'm just going to take the shade Eden that we went in with before and just run this along the lower lash line. And then I'm just going to go back in with that red burgundy shade and also apply this to the lower lash line and just blending it all together. And then I'm just going to finish off the look by putting a few coats of that mascara onto the lower lashes. This mascara is like amazing for lower lashes, like it really lengthens lower lashes. So if you have a problem with lower lashes, go and fetch this mascara. I was really impressed with it today. So yeah, I just thought I would add that in. And this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I will hopefully see you all very soon. Thanks so much for watching.
So this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did enjoy, please give this video a like, leave me a comment and click subscribe. Click the bell icon as well if you don't want to miss any of my videos, because we all know what YouTube can be like. And yes, I will see you all very soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye everyone.